stamping fans. It's Laura H.H. Zaraza with laurazstamps.com. Today I have for you this fun little post-it note holder. It's one of those little minis and they're on an easel. And to gift it, you can just fold it up and send it off to somebody. Really, really cute. So let's get started. Our directions: 2 inches by 6 3/4. Score at 2 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch. Today we're using Just Jade, one of the new in colors. I love these. So we're just going to go ahead and score. Okay, so you have a short side and a long side. This is where your post-it paper or sticky notes are going to go. So right here where it curves up, right under the short one here, you're going to add your tape or your glue, depending on what adhesive you're using. I'm going to use the new Stampin' Seal Plus. So we're just going to fold that back and give myself the easel here. Any excess I'll just pick off. There we go. So there, it's ready to go. I'm going to be using the flowers for every season. And I think I'm going to go with this one. This side. We're going to use the Stampin' Seal. Sometimes it's a little sticky here. Let's see. Turn it around. There we go. And you just add it. I have this at 1 7/8 by 1 7/8 to layer here. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of the Bumblebee ribbon. Love this ribbon. And sometimes, like on this one, I put it in the front here, but I'm going to put it on his, right underneath here. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the Stampin' Seal Plus to hold my ribbon down. And I've just got just enough in there, bringing it around. And I'm just going to knot it. And having a day with ribbon here. There we go. Not too shabby. And all right. Now if it moves at all, you can always tuck a little glue dot right under there. Okay. All right. On some of these, I have been adding a little bit of a glue dot down in the base there to have it stick. This one was not, the paper was not far back against it enough, and it was popping up, so I just stuck that, and it seems to be doing just fine. We're going to try from my friend Sue, who said, hey, move it back further, so we're going to do that. So what I do is I take these little post-it notes or sticky notes, and I divide them in half. And I'm just going to add a strip, Stampin' Seal, and I'm just going to move this right, not too far. And that should, right there. No, it's still going to do it. So I'm going to add a little glue dot. It's different every single time I do these. So I'm just going to pop this little glue dot, roll it over, tuck it in. There we go. Now on here I'm going to add a little bit like I did on this one here. I had Smile, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm using Early Espresso. I'm using the stamp set Lovely You. We're just going to pop that out with the Everyday Punch. And I'm going to use, I think on this one, I'm just going to use the Bumblebee. Or should I use, no, you know what? I think I'm going to use the Cinnamon Cider ones. Just put a little, just go pop it underneath there. All right, just like that. Now we're going to add some mini dimensionals. And then I just pop this off here to remove them. There we are. And then just layer it. I'm going to put this one up top here. Make somebody smile for the day, right? Gift it to somebody, and the same thing I did here. And again, you just pop this off and fold it up. You can put it in an envelope, gift it to somebody. So I hope you like the ideas. Visit me at laurazstamps.com for more ideas, and enjoy.